This is a really quick and easy step, really. And what it allows you to do is allows you to move over in a spreadsheet so you can still see the information you're looking for. So when you are in your spreadsheet, if you go to the View button up here, what you can do is you can go to Freeze Panes. Now what this does is, this is a cool feature. So I might want to freeze the first column, all right? So what I'll do here is I'm going to go on this and I'm going to go to Freeze Panes. I'm going to go freeze the first column. Now what that now means is every time that I move along, I still have the person that I was looking at. Now, if you were particularly trying to keep track of somebody in your business or school or as a subject teacher or anything like this, you're going to want to be able to go along and look at the data over different times. So being able to freeze panes and freeze columns and rows is a really useful feature to have. So if I just take this off, all right, and go to unfreeze panes, the other thing you might want to do is just freeze the top row. So you can go to this and freeze the top row, okay? You can even keep rows and columns visible. So you can, I might want to do that. Go to freeze panes and just to freeze panes. And what that does is that keeps everything and it only moves the second half of the spreadsheet. That way you can see the kind of top of the spreadsheet, if you like. So I'm going to go back to that and unfreeze panes. Or you might want to go to freeze just the top row if you had information in that, and again, go down. All right, so a really useful feature to have, particularly if you need to analyze your data. I hope that lesson is nice and quick and easy and useful.